Welcome to Women's World YouTube channel. I have come to BVK Junior College in Visalakshi Nagar. Let us view some of the opinions of the students regarding educational stress, because nowadays people are feeling more stress regarding their studies. So let us ask their opinions regarding their educational stress. So let's go. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
myself Neelima.
So Nilima, according to you, what do you mean by educational stress?
Education is not stressful, but our education system is stressful compared to other countries. Current situation, the education becomes a business because some of the people started educational institutions only for earning. We are mainly focused on exams. The students gets more stress due to heavy homework compared to government and private schools. They get more stress. To reduce, in my point of view, to reduce the stress, CBSE giving grading system which reduces the stress among the students, which is a wonderful effort. Thank you.
Yeah, nice point. Great. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Sumana Sri.
So Sumna Shri, according to you, what do you mean by educational stress?
Educational stress is a feeling of emotion or a physical tension. It maybe comes from your thoughts or something like that, etc. And it is a reaction of challenging or demanding. In a short way, it can be a positive or a negative. The educational stress in the amount of educational stress the students receive more homework from teachers is like the medium classes of students receive more higher than elementary schools, and they make it is a painful, and it is so irritation to them. It is so painful, and they think that they are making a large and a huge work. Thank you.
So till now we have come to know about their opinions regarding educational stress. Let us ask some of the opinions regarding how they feel stressed. So
Hi,
what's your name?
myself Bhavani.
So Bhavani, according to you, what do you mean by educational stress?
Stress is nothing but the pressure on students. Nowadays, the education level is very high. The competition level is very high, where the students should train their mind to understand the concepts very well instead of getting through the other worthless matters in order to give a tough competition to others. Students are not involved in one activity, but they are also involved in so many activities, and they need to show more enthusiasm for learning new things because of academic pressure by parents, teachers for getting ranks, etc.
So you think that stress is nothing but a pressure, and you can keep more concentration on studies and understand the concepts very well. So hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Madhavi.
So Madhavi, according to you, what do you mean by stress?
Basically, educational stress also called as academical stress and defined as discomfort. Personally, students are more confused and more tensioned. People are so confused. They have more syllabus, new teachers, new syllabus, and more effect on the students, family pressures, and other well affected by the study.
Hi,
What's your name?
myself Sai Kiranmai.
So Sai Kiranmai, how can the parents help the students to reduce the stress?
I think parents should encourage their children to understand the concepts well, and they should not keep more stress on their children regarding education. They should involve their children in sports and co-curricular activities, and they give more inspirational books so that by learning these books, they get inspired more, and they understand their strength and does not feel stress in any other activities, and give active participation. Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Myself, Joy Rachel.
So can you suggest some of the steps to be taken to reduce the stress on students?
Now, stress is become a normal part in our daily life, but there is a lot of stress regarding studies and all for students. We can take some steps to control to reduce stress, like the lack of sleep is the main important. They should get enough sleep and eat good food. It is really important for them, and in schools and colleges they should allot 10 to 15 minutes for meditation. It is really reduce stress on them, and parents and teachers should not force them regarding studies. They should encourage them by seeing their talent, and parents and teachers should move friendly with students. By taking this we can reduce stress. Thank you.
Okay. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Drakshayani.
So Drakshani, how can we adjust our daily activities and reduce the stress?
In order to reduce stress, we have to manage our time and plan our daily activities. Doing meditation every in the morning, which helps to develop positive thinking, control over our thoughts and emotions. Also helps to concentrate on studies. Main thing, friendly relations with others, and also helps to reduce stress. We can develop some of the hobbies like singing and drawing, which makes very active and engaged. We can adjust our time on studies and spending more time on TVs and mobiles, through which our eyes get strained a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
my name is Santoshi.
So, Santoshi, how do you feel when you're stressed?
When you are stressed, many different feelings, including anxiety, fear, anger, and sadness or frustration. These contribute to symptoms of depression.
Friends, till now we were in BBK College and the students have shared their opinions regarding the educational stress. In next episode, we shall meet with new topic. Until then, keep rocking. Bye bye.